women in politics in India, the situation is not that bad, but the situation is not very good also. Me being in politics, I have always experienced that there should be more representation of women in politics in India at the national and the state level. Though we have the 50% representation till the district level and the panchayat level, that is the village level. But still, the bill has not been passed because the bill was first initiated in 2008. But the bill has not yet passed and it is lapsed in the parliament. That clearly shows that we still have to go a long way in getting 50% or at least 33% representation in parliaments at the state level or the national level. So the situation is not good, but we do have 50% representation at the district level. The government in India has to do one important thing, that is get more women in the parliament. At present, the parliament, that is the House of People, has got only 11% women. That's really a very bad number. And in the House of Chambers, that is the second house, we have got only 10.6% women. So both the numbers are very bad. So first step the government can do is get more women. Women can also be good politicians and good statesmen. They can understand the problems of the people better and connect with people better. So if this is done in the priority, I think nothing can stop India from becoming one of the greatest political as well as economic power of the world. Women in India face a lot of challenges. The most basic of them is discrimination, because India has always been a patriarchal society where male has always dominated. That is right from India's history. So it is little difficult to for them to accept. So it's little hard for women to stay in politics. But still, we have 4 political parties in India out of many which has got women leadership. And apart from that, a bit of sexual harassment at the rural level, not many. Discrimination is the most important thing that we have to tackle right now. Definitely the women in India are afraid, because women in India has always been subjugated. Women don't take the initiative of coming out, but the things are changing very fast. The 21st century has already got a lot of women into the politics, and I think in the near future the things will be much better. The things must change in the attitude of the men, because they still don't accept women being in the leadership. So that is the only minor change that has to come about in the thinking of the people, and that will really help women in politics and women in all the fields of life.